Where's your hair? Hello. Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you take Bink out?
Right.
Say Nana.
Nana.
Yeah. Say hi, Nana. You wave. Say hi, Nana.
No.
No. Bink out. Bink out. We're going to talk. Bink out. You say boys. Yeah? Can I hear you? Bink out. Say boys.
Bubble.
Boys.
No.
No? You say mama?
No. No.
The boys are at school. Can you say boys?
Boy.
Yeah. Can you say Muggsy? Oh, yeah, he's right there. You say Muggsy? I know he's right there, honey. Say Muggsy. Yeah. You say Mama?
Mama.
Yeah. Say Daddy?
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada.
Dada. You say Tom?
Yeah.
Tom? Griffin?
Uh.
Boy. You say You say bye-bye?
Boy.
You say bye-bye, Nana?
Baba.
Bye-bye, Nana.
Baba.
Yeah. Can you say Papa?
Baba.
You say again? Say Papa? Yeah, look at Mom. Can you say Papa?
No.
Are you sliding? Ooh. All right. Bye-bye.